AI blogging tools are everywhere right now. And honestly, most of them promise way more than they actually deliver. But recently I found a new platform called Contentryte. And this one is trying to do something much bigger than just writing articles. It claims it can build full authority-style content websites using AI, automate publishing, generate media, and even mimic the writing style of successful websites. So in this video, I'm going to show you what Contentryte actually does. What's real? What's marketing hype? Who this tool is actually for? And whether it's worth your money or not. Welcome back to the channel. If you're into affiliate marketing, AI tools, blogging, SEO, or passive traffic strategies, this video is definitely for you. Now before we start, this is not one of those fake, earn $10,000 tomorrow videos. I tested the platform, checked the features, studied the sales page, and researched the overall system carefully. So this review is going to be honest, simple, and beginner-friendly. What is Contentryte? So, what exactly is Contentryte? In simple words, Contentryte is an AI-powered content automation platform. But unlike basic AI writers, this tool tries to combine multiple things together inside one dashboard. For example, AI article generation, WordPress auto-publishing, AI images, AI voiceovers, SEO optimization, social scheduling, and even AI video tools. The main goal is basically this: create content websites faster using automation. Now one interesting feature they promote heavily is something called Site DNA Intelligence. And this feature supposedly analyzes an existing website's structure and writing style, then tries to create similar style content automatically. That's actually a pretty unique angle compared to most generic AI writers. What I liked. Now let's talk about the good parts first. One thing I genuinely like about Contentryte is that the dashboard looks focused on productivity. Instead of opening ChatGPT, Canva, WordPress, SEO tools, image generators, and video tools separately, they're trying to keep everything inside one ecosystem. Another thing I liked is the automation side. If you manage multiple websites or niche blogs, the bulk publishing feature can save a lot of time. And honestly, for affiliate marketers and content creators, time matters more than almost anything else. I also think beginners may like the simplicity, because many SEO tools are extremely complicated. This one tries to make content generation more beginner-friendly. And compared to some overpriced monthly AI subscriptions, the pricing model here is actually more affordable upfront. But now let's talk about the reality side, because this is where many AI software reviews become misleading. Here's the truth. AI tools do not automatically create successful businesses. And they definitely do not guarantee Google rankings or passive income. You still need good niche research, useful content, consistency, SEO understanding, and human editing. If somebody buys this thinking, I'll press one button and become rich, that's probably not going to happen. Also, some features are locked behind upsells. So the front-end version may not include everything shown in the marketing videos. That's something buyers should understand before purchasing. And another thing, Google is getting smarter about low-quality AI content. So if people abuse automation without adding value, rankings can become difficult. Who should buy this? So who is this tool actually good for? In my opinion, Contentryte is probably best for affiliate marketers, niche website creators, agencies, YouTubers creating blog content, and people already interested in SEO. If you already understand content marketing, this tool could help speed things up. But if you're a complete beginner with zero understanding of blogging or traffic, don't expect magic results overnight. So overall, I think Contentryte is an interesting AI automation platform with some genuinely useful ideas. Especially the combination of AI writing, publishing, media creation, and workflow automation. That part actually makes sense. Now, is it perfect? No. Is the marketing a little exaggerated? Probably yes. But underneath the hype, there does seem to be a real software product with practical use cases for content creators and affiliate marketers. So if your goal is scaling content production, automating parts of blogging, or managing multiple websites faster, then Contentryte may actually be worth checking out. If you want to check out the official page or see the current launch discounts, I'll leave the link in the description below. If you are purchasing the product through the My link, send me the screenshot on my Instagram. I will give you free gift. Product link and my Instagram links are provided in the description. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what AI tool you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.